Friends, mm, we generally find bsnl video. We generally find there are two problems in the bsnl video. The first is the speed problem, and the second problem is of course disconnection problems. Okay. Mm, both problems are the network problems and we cannot solve it manually. Okay, either we have to call the customer care or mm, we can change our connection, but I give you the two possible solutions, okay, for the problems which might help you. Okay, so in the bsnl connection, this is my dialer, and in the dialer what happens when the speed goes much high, or it may be less, but after some time you find that there is dialog opens which says connect failed. Okay, this means there is a disconnection problem, and then we need to reconnect it again from this button. So what we do is that we do not want to reconnect it again and again manually. So what we do is that we basically, there is a software available, and in this software you can auto reconnect. Okay, auto reconnect, and the software is advanced dialer. This advanced dialer helps you to automatic dial or automatic reconnect without reconnecting manually. Okay, and this software you can go here in the Google page. You can write here advanced dialer in the search box and just open the first page. Okay, in the first page you will find that this is your PY software has created this advanced dialer. You can download it here for free. After downloading, just extract that zip file that you download. Okay, you can go advanced setup.zip and just extract it manually as you extract it, and then you will get an advanced setup. Okay, this is the .exe file. Just open this .exe file and open it. Okay, my computer is little slow because of its configuration, and you will find that this dialer will help you to reconnect automatically. And the second problem is of course the speed problems. All right, okay, before giving the speed problem solutions, I uh, first tell you that this advanced dialer setup basically uh, does not help you to resume your IDM downloads. Okay, because whenever your connection get disconnected, okay, whenever this get disconnected, your IDM which you are downloading from the IDM, okay, anything, this also gets disconnected. So apart from the connection get reconnect, uh, you can download, you have to resume the IDM downloads. But the advantage of this reconnection is that your torrent files, okay, your torrent files need not to be resumed, and they just get disconnected and disconnected automatically. That is, the file automatically get resumes. Okay, so what's the problem is, so the solution for this reconnection is open this dialog. In this dialog you will find that this keep button helps you to auto reconnect. All right, this hang up button just disconnect this connection, and this dialer will need dial the selected connections. See, I use USB device for the video, so just select this and then go to info dialog. In the info dialog you will find that your username is this, enter the password which you know basically is CDMA for the connections, and dial the number #777, apply this and click OK. Then keep this connection, but it is not yet connected, so just dial one time. Okay, now it is connected to USB device. Second time, whenever this bsnl connection get disconnected, it will auto reconnect it. Okay, after the maximum wait time of 80 seconds. You can decrease it to any time you want. Say I decrease it to 30 seconds. So whenever my connection get disconnected, after 30 seconds it will reconnect it. Alright, or you can reduce as much, let's say 20 seconds. Alright, so this is how it will help you. You do not need to manually reconnect again and again. And the second problem solution is that I must say that IDM downloads need to be resumed, but the downloads which you are downloading from the BitTorrent need not to be resumed. They will get connected automatically. Apart from this, whenever your connection get disconnected, here comes a dialog which said connect failed, but do not worry about that. It will auto reconnect it. Okay, after auto reconnect, you will find that the network symbol comes here, although here is written device ready. Okay, this device ready does not say that you are not connected. Okay, so I can show you here. See, I have connected USB device, so I can disconnect it from here. Okay. After the disconnection, you will see that although this is disconnected, but the connection remains the connected to USB device. It does not get disconnected from here. Okay, for example, if I reload this page, then you will find that yes, it is reloaded. So therefore the connection does not disconnect. So do not worry about this window. Okay, just use this advanced dialer setup. It will help you a lot. Second problem in the BSNL connection is that the problem of speed. Okay, so the problem of speed will be solved. You can see these are the network problems. Okay, you cannot solve it. So to solve the speed problems, what you need to do, if your speed is quite low, okay, see, if the signals are very high, that is for example 3, minimum 3, then 4 and maximum 5, of course. So you will find that if your speed, that is your receiving speed, is much slow, then what you do, you use an extension cable. Okay, why to use an extension cable? Because you will find that sometime the speed may give maybe high at another place and it may be lower at another place. Okay, so use the extension cable, add your USB device or whatever your data card, and place it at some places where you find it comfortable to get a high speed. Okay, and sometimes you will also find that instead of having say 4 signals, you find the speed very high, and sometimes if you have a 5 signals, then you may find that at some place the speed is very low. So use a USB connection, USB extension cable. This helps you a lot in gaining a speed. If you not get a speed after adding an extension cable, then I must say you that although I prefer to use BSNL video connection, but if you face a problem to speed and not a network problem, okay, if you are getting a signal but you are not getting a speed, okay, see, buy an extension cable, use it at 3 different times, that is at the morning, at the evening, at the night. Even if you do not get the speed and one day, try it second day, even if you do not get the speed, then I just suggest you that you can change your connection to another operator. Okay, because there is no solution other than this. Okay, either then you need to place your BSNL data card at the window, but this is again for just to boost your signal. Okay, the speed depends on many factors, but I must say that if you do not get apart from the extension cable uh, method, then it is better to use or better to get another connection, since because if you have just taken the video connection just for the unlimited internet, then there are in today's present day, you will find that there are various broadbands which gives you unlimited at the same price at the BSNL video is given to you. Okay, so try to use a better connection if this not works for you. Okay, and thank you, and thanks a lot.